I work on a variety of different cases, and many cases that I work on are for paying clients, and that speaks to the business part of the firm. And at the same time, I do a lot of pro bono work, and I think that as members of this profession, there is a responsibility to do that type of work, and not just in litigation, but also for other types of lawyers as well. Lawyers who practice in real estate or corporate. I think that it goes beyond simply litigation. We see that. It's a great profession because you see so much of that. You see lawyers participating in different nonprofit pursuits, contributing to charities, and it's one of the great things in the profession that there's an acknowledgement that while we are in the business of law, we still have to give back to the community, and we should give back to the community. I first learned that my firm wanted to nominate me when one of the managing partners of my firm came into my office and said, you know, we really want to nominate you for this Rising Stars Award. And I was pretty surprised when she told me that, because I haven't been practicing for very long, and I didn't think that I had the track record or the accomplishments that would lend itself to the award. So I mean, I was surprised. I was flattered, but I was quite surprised. I think teamwork is very important. I look at most of the, or all the casework that I've done in the past, and you know, I certainly could not have achieved any of the results that I've achieved without the help of other lawyers, without the help of staff at my firm, and other people along the way. In my view, the practice of law requires teamwork. I think what comes next in my career is to continue to learn how to be a lawyer. I haven't been a lawyer for that long. I've only been a lawyer for 6 years. Continue building skills, and to try as much as possible to grow into the type of lawyer that I want to be, which is a lawyer who is respected by his peers, by opposing counsel in cases, even in complex, contentious cases. I think it's really important to be straightforward with clients, and to be very clear about, if you're talking about a potential action, be very clear about the risks of proceeding, and to not be shy about telling the client that it's really a bad idea to proceed. People come to lawyers because they don't know the law, they don't understand how the system works, and I think it's critically important that that lawyers give them the type of advice they need, and not just simply assist them in heading down a path that is not going to ultimately be helpful to them. I love what I do. I absolutely love what I do, and I love going to court. I can't think of, except for activities that involve my wife, I can't think of anything that's more exciting than getting roped up and going to court to argue a case.